5 Best Ceiling Fan. Here is the product number 5. SOLFART Ceiling Fan Modern Lead Wood. Brand name SOLFART. Item type ceiling fans. Number of blades: 5. Base type wedge. Weight: 9.5 kg. Style modern. Blade size: 50 cm/pieces. Body material: iron, wood. Switch type: remote control. Function 1: ceiling fan modern LED. Function 2: wood ceiling fans. Here is the product number 4. Sove brown vintage ceiling fan with lights. Brand name Sove. Body material: ABS, glass, iron. Light source: LED bulbs. Style modern. Base type: wedge. Switch type: remote control. Features: ventilador de Tito. Blade size: 1320. Wind type: standard wind. Item type: ceiling fan lamp. Number of blades: 3. Control method: remote control. Here is the product number 3. Sove wooden ceiling fans. Brand name Sove. Power source: AC. Body material: iron, wood. Light source: LED. Style modern. Base type: wedge. Switch type: remote control. Model number QJ185. Features: ceiling fan wood. Finish: polished chrome brush nickel bronze. Switch type: remote control. Number of blades: 3. Here is the product number 2. Botimi new LED ceiling fan for living room. Brand name Botimi. Features: ceiling fan with lights. Blade size total: 52 inch. Base: 15 cm. Voltage support: 220 volts. Material: metal, glass lampshade, wood art blades. Color: black base, white base. Light source: LED 15 watts. Warm white and cool white can be changed control by remote. Here is the product number 1. 52-inch LED brown DC 30W Village ceiling fans. Brand name Sove. Power source: DC. Light source: LED. Style modern. Base type: wedge. Switch type: remote control. Number of blades: 3. Control method: remote control. Item type: ceiling fans. Voltage: 95V 265V. Model number QJ178. Wind type: standard wind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.